Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So in this video, I will show you some of my gear that I use daily for content creation. A lot of you guys have asked, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to take a second to tell them what mic that is, tell them what camera that is, show them this, the memory, whatever you wanted to see. I'm going to show you some of it in this video, but rest assured, all of my gear is linked down below. So use those links. It'll really help me out with the channel and enjoy the video. So first up is my Yeti X. This retails for about $149, and this is the microphone that you heard to start the video off. I use this microphone when I'm doing front-facing vlogs as I pair it with whatever camera I'm using at the moment. Now here is my favorite mic of all time, the Sudutack 192 Hertz studio condenser microphone. This is great for voiceovers, which you're listening to it right now, and podcasts. And I have it paired with my Samson arm, which is a 48-inch arm. It's very long, it can extend out. So both of these, about 70 for the arm and 50 for the mic. Now, if you want to save some real money, go with a pet grooming station. I'll leave a link down below, and this will save you tons of money from other overhead rigs. This is only between 40 and 50 bucks. And with that, I have 3 magic arms that I use for cameras and lights. Now, the camera on here right now is my ZV-1, which is a camera that I totally enjoy. As you can see, I have it hooked to the magic arm, and this magic arm can hold any size camera, guaranteed. Now, the pride and joy of my channel, obviously, is my cameras. I've been using the Sony A6100 with the Sigma lens for quite some time for vlogs for the last little over a year, and I recently picked up the brand new Sony Alpha A7c. From which I've just been really enjoying. The content that I get from that camera opposed from the APC camera is night and day. I actually took out the A7C for some photos, and I was blown away at how great this camera takes photos alongside video as well. So major upgrades to the channel, but let's keep moving. Now, back in December of 2020, I picked up the new Mac Mini M1 chip. This is 8 gigs, 256 gigs of storage, because I did an extension with a SSD for 500 gigs. So I really love this thing. It is probably one of the best things I've done for myself as far as the channel goes for editing. Now, I keep this as an I got me an under desk cage that this is in, which is why I'm not showing you it right now. But the thing is, it's fast and it does great for editing. Haven't had very many problems with it, but it is definitely something that you should do for yourself if you are thinking about being a content creator on YouTube. Having the M1 chip will help you fly through your editing. Now, keep in mind, I have just the quote-unquote base model with 8 gigs of RAM, and it handles itself very well. The only time I've had an issue is during a live stream, but other than that, this thing is held up well. And for the price, it is probably the best entry into the Mac OS ecosystem if you want to go this route for a more powerful editing machine. All right, so there you have it. Brief and to the point, I showed you some of my cameras, my tripod, my mics. These are the things that are daily driven in this office to help create. And that is the most important thing to me. So if you have questions about the gear, again, the links are down below. Freely use them as you want to, purchase from them, whatever. It helps me out when you do. And there's a thanks button down there as well. So hit that thanks button if you just want to donate to the channel. And I appreciate your support, man. I have continued support from you guys. And everything that you dump into this channel and help me grow, I try to give it back to you by upping the game on the gear. And that is what I've slowly done over the years. And I hope you enjoyed this video as a sneak peek at some of the things in the office. Not really big on office tours, but maybe I will. I'm not sure. I keep a very simple and basic setup, and I try to maintain the most affordable gear that I can possibly get when it comes to content creation. I bet you were shocked on that pet grooming station over rig. Yeah, you can save, before I get out of here, you can really save a lot of money by going with a pet grooming station, because you know why? It is the same gear that is used for photography. Some people don't know this, and some people would say otherwise, but it technically is. I know photographers, and I know people who own pet groomings, they're breeders and stuff too, and that pet grooming station probably caught you off guard. Yeah. But that thing cost me $45. Currently, you can see the current price down below. I believe it's only $49 right now. That is one that I definitely recommend to content creators. Instead of spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on an overhead rig, take it simple, because those things are never shown on camera. It's there for production. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.